First in, first out page replacement algorithm presented by Christian, Dominic, Shabia and Umama. What are page replacement algorithms? Page replacement algorithms were introduced to minimize the page fault that occurs in the memory management system. A page fault occurs in a computer system when a running program accesses a memory page that is not currently mapped into the virtual address space of the program. First in, first out is the simplest algorithm that is used to overcome this problem of page fault that occurs in the memory. First in, first out page replacement algorithm. In first in, first out page replacement algorithm, operating system keeps track of all pages in the memory in a queue. Oldest page is in the front of the queue. On a page fault, the frame that has been in memory the longest is replaced. Blaidy's anomaly proves that it is possible to have more page faults when increasing the number of page frames. To better understand how the first in, first out algorithm works, let's watch our video.
Ready, set, go. Hey kid, you want to learn about first in, first out page replacement? Not really. Too bad. Take a seat. Alright, so let's say these three books represent our frames, and these cards represent our pages. So let's look at the first one. The first one is a 2. Can you guess where the 2 goes?
No.
It goes in the first one, you silly. Alright, so now our next one is a 3. You know where that goes?
In the middle?
That's right! Congratulations! And now that we have a 4, it'll take up the last one. But, as you can see, all of our frames are taken up now. Since we're using first in, first out page replacement, we'll have to replace the oldest one, which will be the 2, and we'll put it in the backing store, which is you! Alright, so now we have a 3. But we already have a 3 in this second one right here. You know what that means, right?
Throw it in the garbage.
No, it goes in the backing store. Alright, I hope you've been paying attention. Now that we have a 6, we have to replace the oldest one. Can you guess which one that is?
This one?
You're wrong, it's this one. With first in, first out page replacement, this is the easiest method for new programmers. And we can learn very important contradictions, such as Blaidy's anomaly. See? Aren't we having fun learning about first in, first out page replacement?
Yeah, so much.
Wait, no, where are you going? Wait, come back.
Advantages and disadvantages of FIFO page replacement algorithm. Advantages include the fact that this is a fairly low overhead algorithm, which means it requires little bookkeeping on the part of the operating system. It is also simple and easy to implement. An additional advantage is that it is very intuitive. Disadvantages include the fact that it simply replaces the oldest page and does not consider the frequency of use, last use time, etc. It also has poor performance in its original form, and modified versions of FIFO are used by the VMS operating system. Here are the references we used to put together this presentation. Thank you so much for viewing our presentation. We hope you liked this video and learned much about the first in, first out page replacement algorithm.